Welcome to 3861 Alder Woods Court. Stylish, contemporary, and in a great location, you don't want to miss this beautiful home. This home features a gorgeous two-story foyer, hardwood floors throughout the house, and plenty of natural light. With an open floor plan and updated luxury kitchen, this house is built for entertaining. The upstairs features 2 spacious bedrooms with ample closet storage and 2 updated bathrooms. The lower level features finished space that can be utilized as a rec room. Located between Fair Oaks Mall, Fairfax Town Center, and Fair Lakes Shopping Center, you'll be right around the corner from shopping, dining, and more. For more information, give us a call.